Looking to add that eye-catching boomerang effect to your CapCut videos, just like the ones you see on Instagram? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create that perfect looped motion using CapCut's duplicate and reverse tools. By the end, you'll be able to turn any clip into a fun, shareable boomerang, whether it's a high five, a quick dance move, or a splash in the pool. Let's dive right in. So first things first, while CapCut doesn't have a single tap boomerang button, it's actually super easy to make one manually, and you get more control this way. The secret ingredient for a smooth boomerang effect is starting with a short and smooth clip. Think about those moments where the action is quick and fluid, like throwing confetti, jumping in place, or tossing your hair. If your clip is too long or too complicated, the boomerang can end up feeling choppy or awkward. We're aiming for just 1 or 2 seconds of action. So let's get started. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Now, here's where a little patience really pays off. Use the trimming tool to carefully isolate just the part of the video that you want to loop. If you're unsure, try playing your chosen section a few times to make sure the motion flows well. Cutting too much can lose the magic, but leaving it too long makes the loop dull. For example, if you captured someone spinning around, trim exactly to when they start and finish the spin. Take your time. It's worth it for that silky smooth effect. Once you have your trimmed clip, it's time to build the actual boomerang. Select your clip on the timeline. Now, let's make a copy. If you're on mobile, scroll through the bottom toolbar until you see duplicate. Tap that, and you'll see an identical clip appear right next to the original. On PC, just right-click and use copy-paste or the duplicate feature, depending on what's available in your version. Now, the order matters. Drag or place the duplicated clip immediately after your original. This creates the classic boomerang sequence. Your action plays forward and then right away, again, in reverse. So, select that second duplicated clip. Time to make the magic happen. Look for the reverse function. On mobile, it's in the bottom toolbar. On PC, you might find it under speed settings or in the right-click menu. If you're stuck for a moment, don't worry. It might take a little hunting depending on your device, but it's there. Apply the reverse effect, and in just a few seconds, CapCut will process it. Now your clip plays backwards. What you have now is a seamless forward, then backward loop of your action. The classic boomerang. Watch it through a few times to make sure the motion is flowing naturally. If it feels jumpy, you might need to trim a frame or two from either end, or pick a smoother section. That's all there is to it. With this technique, you're not limited to just boomerangs. You can use it anywhere you want to loop motion. Save your project, export your video, and get ready to impress your friends, your followers, or just yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every question I get. For more easy CapCut tips and creative video ideas, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video.